Alright, so we're back after a little headache. So we're continuing building our header. It's our hero. So we're gonna go to header, edit in Oxygen, and there's nothing in it, so we're gonna add a grid. We're trying to figure out how to use grid. Let's see, header, grid. Okay. Check it out. So according to this, oh no, but no. Delete. Okay, so it's a grid. Header, or grid 3, because it's gonna have 3. Oh, it should just be called grid, I guess. Now in the design, 4 items per row, and we know rows go like this and columns go like this. So one item per row. What is all this stuff? But let's see, 3. What would happen with 3? Container, spacing. Okay, so none of that. Container, background. Okay, none of that. So let's see. So we want image, then we want to add a menu builder. Okay, it's working, and we want to add a container. Okay, so there you go. So we're figuring it out. Choose. Okay, we're gonna have an image, thumbnail. Why is it not getting smaller? Oh, probably because we haven't named it. So we're gonna call it logo image. So now it's logo image. Good. Right there. No. Okay. We'll make it smaller one way or another. Is it flex? No. smaller. Guess right here. Width, we wanted 150. What's that do? Nothing. It's because they're equal. So this probably has to do with the grid, space between items, advanced, width, height, minimum height. Let's see, 20. Nothing happens. Okay, let's set this into a. Okay, let's see. This in there. There you go. That looks good. Now, logo image. It's not getting stretched no more. I'm gonna call this logo container. We're also gonna practice how to type until we get it. Logo container. And do we want it flexed? Block, flex, grid. Flex, we want it. Is this gonna do it? Oh yeah, it does. Okay. Yeah, that was good right here. Let's see what it's looking like so far. Okay, we want this a little closer over here. Maybe not. We're gonna throw a container in here too. So inside this one, we want to add a container. Okay, let's see where the container's right here. Okay, and then we're gonna call this menu container. Okay, so menu container, and the menu is gonna go in there. And now we can flex it, and we want it more over here. Okay. See what that looks like. Don't like it. Looks a little better. Now here we want to add a button. So the shortcut to add is Control A, and then you start typing it. Button, there it is. And if it's right here in the top left corner, you can just press Enter. We're gonna go there, add again, Control Add, and we're gonna add a little bit of text. But we want to flip them around, so we want the text above the button. And let's take a look. That looks okay. call this button. Let's see, button text, I guess. No. Button heading. Okay. For this, we're just gonna call it button main. Okay. We want to flex it. We want it in the center. Nope, we don't want it in the center. We want it there. Okay, let's see this one. Yeah, there you go. So let's check it out. Getting somewhere. Want this a little lower. So what is this gonna be called? CTA header. I'll flex it. Oh, what's going on here? Okay. Let's see what's doing it here. Why didn't this follow it? This is not flexed. Okay, so what does that look like? Okay. So the reason they're like that, one, probably because this is like this. There you go. So we want the flow to be going down, so they're stacked on top of each other, not side by side. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, looks good. But we want it in the center. And we want a gap. Okay, let's take a look. Looks good. Save it. And we still gotta fix all these menu items, but we're not gonna do it right now. We're just moving forward. This is the menu builder from Breakdance that you get when you purchase Oxygen 6. So, you know, you would go here, menu builder. You got this menu builder and then the WordPress menu. Yeah, maybe I probably should stick to a regular menu, but we want to get used to using Oxygen, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh look, what do you know? I wasn't even being recorded. Okay, so all right. So I'm happy with this. I really wanted to figure out how to use grids, and I think I'm getting it. Okay, let's try now getting the Let's see what these do. And then what does this do? Anyway, that one. All right. Anyway, so let's create a footer, main footer. Main footer. Apply to everywhere. Conditions, okay, that looks good. We're gonna edit it. Okay, for the header, we're gonna add a section. Section, enter. Inside the section, we're gonna apply the class main footer. Main footer. Okay. Insert text. Okay. Text. And okay, I don't know how to do that. Copyright. You know, we're gonna call it, yeah, that's solar powered project. Okay. We don't want to insert. So this is going to be footer text. Footer text. And it's going to be flexed. It's going to be centered. No, I guess not. So we're going to control that with this flex. That looks good enough. See. Hold Alt and type 0169. Okay. Hold Alt 0169. Okay, that nothing happened. Okay, so the numeric pad, okay. Alt 0169. There you go. let's add it. Footer is gonna go with background. Something sunny. There you go. Oh. Nope, that's not what we wanted. Okay. That looks good to me for now. You know, later we're gonna add some icons. I love my camera that zooms in. Anyway, what am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, so let's now we would set our global settings. Okay, so that looks good. Let's see. Anyway, so we're gonna erase this. Let's go to page. Edit in Oxygen. Okay. We have our sections. You know, each one's gonna be something. But so it looks good. So we're gonna apply our global styles. So you go for global settings. Go here, colors, here I'm gonna show it to ChatGPT so it could, you know, help me fill this out. So I'm gonna take a screenshot and then tell ChatGPT, help me with the global settings. Look at the screenshot. And help me fill out. Okay, so everything we're doing is with ChatGPT, man. This is the future. Okay, brand. Okay, We're just gonna copy and paste here. Okay, that's our brand right there. Text. Oh, what's going on here? Copy, paste. Copy headings. Links. Okay. Background. Copy. White. Palette. Colors. We're going to call this primary. And we're going to practice typing. It's okay. Hashtag F F4 F6 F8. Wow, that's a weird one. Oh shit. I mean, oh snap. Okay, copy. Paste. Primary. Secondary. Dark, let's see, control, light, and let's see, hashtag, 1B, 1B, 8, What am I doing? Shit, fuck all this. Copy and paste. Anyway. Neutral dark. We're gonna add one more. High. Light. Okay, those are regular colors. So now we go to buttons. We got primary button, so our buttons are gonna look size. We don't have a size background. We're gonna have background is going to be primary. Our text color, it's going to be, I guess, black. Copy, paste. Oh no, it's white. Shit. Anyway, padding. Copy, padding, size, button, primary, size, nope. Let's see, button, primary. Corners, we want it round. Wait, advanced, what's advanced? Text wrap, no. Doesn't let me do anything that this is telling me over here, but it's okay. Size, background, do we want an outline? And then if we do, sure, we added an outline. No fill on hover, typography, FX, no FX, icons. We want an icon. What would an icon do? Okay, that's what an icon does. So we don't though. So how do I remove it? That's the real question now. Yeah. How do I remove it? Okay, so I don't want an icon before, after. Okay, that's not what we want. There's probably a way to go back. Let's see. Icon. How do I remove it? Okay, we got all these. Primary. Hero. Save. What's going on here? Oh, my global settings is what I'm doing. History. Primary button. Okay, all that's good. No fill. Typography. Icon. There it is. do I remove this? Huh. Should be a way at least to reset everything. Icons. So that's that. Search, hover, space before, color. How do I remove this? Okay, so it says, let's see, choose. Oh, okay, so, huh, okay, so if you want to remove an icon, you gotta click on the icon thing right here. So let's say, you add that. If you want to remove it, you gotta click on the icon. Okay, so good to know. It's not in the instructions. Anyway, continuing. Um, looks about it for button one. All right, let's go with button two. Background. Text color. Primary. Okay, so all right, so effects, hover, scale and hover. All right, so that looks good enough to me. Now we'll do all the headings. All right, I'll show it a picture again. Okay, so heading font in enter. enter. Uh, Body font, enter again. Okay. Base size 16. Five. Okay. Okay, so font size, weight 400, headings, uh, weight 600 for H3, and 500. Okay, so that looks about right. Okay, presets, preset name, solar powered project. Okay, so okay, so let's go. Nope, we're not gonna add that. All right, let's go to forms. Okay, containers, forms. Forms. We got We're not gonna do anything with forms. Containers. Column gap. Let's see. Column gap. Container width. Horizontal padding. We're gonna do 30. All right. And I think that's it. So we got our global settings and we got our template. So from here, we'll be able to move forward in an easier manner. We still gotta create all the classes. Um, let's see what's looking for. What are we looking at for day 3? Day 3. Okay. Okay, for day 3, we're gonna look at homepage plus class system. We're gonna design a homepage using class first approach. Set up CTA for affiliate products. Create a hero section with clear CTA. Design content areas using class-based components. And add affiliate CTA blocks for ClickRank AI, visitor tracking, outputs, fully responsive homepage. We'll have the button primary, heading Excel, and section hero class structure in place. Okay, so that's day 3 anyway. Thanks for stopping and bye and watching. And now I gotta edit this video because there's a lot of downtime. So it might feel like we're not getting anywhere, but we're actually getting real far. This is the hard part, getting it all set up. But once you got it figured out, it's gonna be a lot easier. I still don't got it all figured out, so it's not all that easy yet. But yeah, take a break. And that's it.